Good freaking morning, world. What's up? How's it going? Mark Freeman 408. I am back. We had like 5 feet of snow. It was wild over like 3 days. Every time I went outside, it was waist deep. And then now it's 5 degrees and rained all yesterday. So it is melting quick. We got a beautiful sunrise happening over there. Just melting some copper right now. This is how they turn out. Turn them into these beautiful copper bars and then, yes, sell them online. People love them. Why take it to the scrapyard and get a minimum for your copper when you can sell it for 10 times more online? Anyways, before all the snow melts, I want to get the snowmobile out. We got her out the other day, but it was all powder. Couldn't do anything with it. So now that's rained a bit and it's mild, should be able to pop some wheelies. Might hit the river if it's up. Haven't really seen it. As you can see, it's very foggy right now, so you can't even see the river. So I'm going to keep on keeping on with this, and then in a couple hours, once it's a little brighter out and hopefully the fog burns off, we'll get that sled out. Grip it and rip it. Look at that thing. She's coming together. This is the dolly, so obviously that goes on the bottom. It's got all the tough system clips. That's basically what it looks like, but you can add your boxes on there as well. So let's get this thing together and then see how we can customize it. And that's your top little tool bench. Definitely check this unit out. The DXL 2.0 tough system. Everything's interchangeable. You can put your big tough system boxes in between. Cup holders, your little workspace up top, all the different shelves. Got smaller ones. You got locks that drop down in case you need to lock your stuff. The bigger drawers. Hang your drills off the side. Oh man, so excited for this unit. Just about to start polishing some bars. Went to put my earplugs in and the mice chewed off the end of my earplugs. Thank God I got more. And just like that, you got a copper bar. Throw it up on Marketplace. Sell it for $200-300 bucks. Isn't that wild? Oh, hello.
Hey Mark, what are we doing today?
Well, I just made this.
Oh wow, is it still warm?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, look at that. And what is that exactly?
It's a 6.5 pound copper bar. So I got that granulator. Didn't feel like selling to the scrapyard for minimum price there, and put these up for $30 a pound on Marketplace, and people scoop them right up.
Nice.
So anyways, we're gonna do some sledding before the snow melts. So we did lose a lot last night and yesterday with the rain and the heat, but I don't know, it might stick around, it might not. So I figured let's get on it and get after it and throw a few wheelies, and the river looks high, so let's hit that too.
All right, let's take a look at the river here. Well, it's up a little bit with all the melting, but we had like almost 5 feet of snow last week, and as you can see, a lot of it's gone now, but Mark's going to do the best of what he can here.
The only issue is getting the sled out of the garage. It has studs on it, and I don't want to carve up the brick driveway, so I got to roll it to the road or the grass over there. So I got to shovel my way. I thought I was done shoveling for the year, but...
Didn't you buy a snowblower at your house?
I did. And you have one too over there.
Well, actually, we got one right there. You want to use it?
It's all right. Takes me 2 minutes.
Okay. And Mark,
for today.
okay, and I see there's grass or straw on the bottom of the snowmobile there. On the...
The only way I ride it, through grass.
Okay, so you'll have this done in like 1 minute here.
All right.
So you got your path cleared here.
Kind of.
Sort of.
I don't think it's wide enough.
Well, just back her up and then just go through quickly.
They make these sleds bigger every year, but I have the same dolly for the past 15 years.
Oh, you're almost there, Mark.
Yeah. I feel like I'm doing too much work for this.
Okay, now something just fell off. I don't know what that is. A little rubber thing here?
Oh, it's just a rubber thing off the dolly.
Oh, okay. No big deal.
No.
I see.
All right. Suit up and let's go.
Okay, see you over there.
Thing doesn't like to start when it's hot.
Is it old gas, Mark?
Yeah, mixed fuel. Man, I'm out of breath already. This has been my workout. Alright, I think we tore this up enough. I'll hit one more here and then we're going to head to the river. Go have some fun in the water. Alright, yeah, that was pretty fun. Bit of snow, bit of work. Like I said, I don't know if the snow's going to be here next week. It's supposed to be mild for a few days. Cold again, then mild again. So I don't know if we have any snow in the forecast. I didn't even know we were going to get this much snow in the first place, but oh man, these goggles are the best. We'll head down the river now. I'll do some skipping. I grabbed my GoPro with the giant stick here because it's a cool angle. And yeah, been about a year since I skipped the river, so time to go find some water.
Okay, Mark's gone way down there somewhere. I can't even see with my sunglasses on. And oh, look at this, how deep it is. And all the snow came last week, but it's all melting. Oh, he wants me to go down here. Where am I gonna do it here? I don't want to slide down the bank. Oh my God, look at this. Very deep here. Oh boy. Oh, there's actually a spider here. Look at that. What's he doing out? He should be hibernating for the winter time. He's actually alive. See? Look at him go. He's coming towards me.
that was a success. So we're back on the once a week content. I'm trying to do as much as I can while I can. Obviously, I have a son now, and yeah, so life is very busy, but we're back on the content train. I'm glad I got out. Last year the sled didn't even see snow, so this is absolutely awesome to be able to do this. Hit a bit of pow, felt nice actually going in snow. Forgot how much of a workout it is too, and of course the water skipping. I'm not a huge fan of going on that water when it's that high, because you know how many sleds I've sunk, and if you sink when it's that high, the water is probably up to here, so I'd have to swim to shore. I'd probably float a couple hundred feet down the river, but luckily my FXR suit floats. So, and then I'd have to get the Maverick, I'd have to swim back out, somehow latch onto this and hook it up and drag it out. So it wouldn't be a fun day. It never is a fun day. But last time we sunk it, I got lucky and it was only this deep. So we just changed the belt, drove it to shore, etc. So again, thank you, Dad. That was an awesome day, and can't wait to see what's next. So enjoy. Oh, someone's trying to call me. And have the best day. We'll see you later. Let's see lots of comments too. We need some comments. We're getting low on comments. So thank you again. See you later.